So as a coach here at Function Well, I work with a lot of high-performing individuals working in high-stress roles. Due to having to perform at their best in all aspects of their life, they can often leave the regeneration protocols neglected. So one of the tools that I regularly prescribe for my clients, and I use myself, is contrast therapy. That involves using sauna and the ice bath, chopping and changing from hot to cold. Some of mine and my clients' favourite benefits from the contrast therapy are reduced swelling and inflammation, decreased joint stiffness and soreness from training, improved sleep quality, improved mental acuity, and just the feeling of well-being that it gives you. There's a couple of different options when it comes to using the contrast therapy. One of my favourites is a 10 to 20 minute sauna followed by a 5-minute cold bath, and you can repeat that as many times as you feel comfortable, or just once if that's all you have time for. And the other option is a 2 to 3 minute sauna followed by a 5 to 10 minute ice bath, repeated for 3 to 5 rounds. So if you're feeling stressed, burnt out, or just want to relax, definitely take advantage of the contrast therapy in the restoration zone. If you need a hand getting started, come and see one of us coaches.